Hello everyone, so today we have the Samsung Portable T7. This is a 500 gigabytes available for Windows, Linux and Android. So it has a portable SSD, USB 3.2 C, A, okay, for 3.2 generation also available. Okay, super fast external storage, very little, 85 millimeters and 57 millimeters, 8 millimeter wide, up to 1500 megabytes per second in read and 1000 megabytes per second in read or in write. So let's open it. Okay, so inside we have, of course, the manual. So here is the SSD. Looks like a phone battery, just a little bit bigger. Okay, strong case. Samsung, very simple. Nice. Okay, USB Typ-C and the LED. The LED will also show us if it's uh, reading writing or it's not. Okay. Inside we have all right. So this is another small case with the manual and two cables. Okay, there's the manual, nothing fancy. Two cables, okay, the 3.2 to USB-C and USB-C to USB-C. And this is it. If you want to see how it works, please make comments.